Well, this has been a very good time. It has not been easy for them, and it has not been very, very easy for them. You can see the changes are made and the paintings of renovations after 60 years of wait, after 60 years of tears, 60 years of terrorism. This has been a record of a lifetime, and it's starting very, very magnificent. It has been a catastrophe movement for them now, where they start. And this is where they will pick from the point you can see from the top. You can see the lights, you can see the paintings everywhere, you can see the renovations in the room, the dressing room. You can see everywhere is beautiful, beauty in blue. You can emphasize, you can't really tell what's going on this place. And you can't even give an explanation where you own nobody. This is one of the best in West London, Chelsea. And this is one a remarkable start you can see. Once again, here there are the recipes used for renovations. Here is a painting, rubber. And here is the table lights, the chairs, the table, the crates used for a metal inspect. A very defensive part. We go from the top. This is the post room. You can see once again. You can see very clear from here. You can see very well. This is the coach's room, the coach's apartment. Clear and fixed. Oh, it's very, very necessary. You can see from here, there's a very big distance. And this is a very impressive one. It has to deal with many potential values. And it has to do with good terms and good vibrance for the team, never to mislead, but to lead as a leader. The beauty emphasize the consistency of West London. So thanks, Jim Beglin, my co-commentator. And thanks for everyone watching this, everyone across the globe, even for my boss. And thanks for everybody, the fans, the coaches, the club, the team as a whole, and the officials, the referees, the assistant referees, the VAR room, and everybody watching from here. This is a beautiful one. It has never happened before. It has never ever in life happened. This is not just a renovation of a lifetime, but a renovation of the generation. A renovation that echo down the ages.